Hey creators, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly next level in the world of AI video creation. If you've ever dreamed of making cinematic videos without expensive cameras, crews, or editing software, this video is for you. We're talking about Higgsfield, one of the fastest growing GenAI platforms designed to make AI video creation genuinely creator-friendly. Inside Higgsfield, you get access to world-leading AI models like Nano Banana Pro, Kling 2.6 audio, and Win 2.5, plus the revolutionary Cinema Studio, the first ever end-to-end filmmaking pipeline that takes you from a single idea to a fully produced cinematic video. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly how to pick a model, craft a concept, and generate a professional quality video, all in minutes. Now, you might be thinking there are tons of AI video tools out there. What makes Higgsfield different? First, it's all in one. You don't need separate apps for text-to-image, motion, or audio. Everything happens inside one platform. Second, Higgsfield gives you real control over your scenes. Motion, audio, framing, and visual consistency are all adjustable. So if you can describe a scene, you can create a film-like shot. No technical experience required. Third, they recently launched Cinema Studio, which is basically your AI film production assistant. It respects cinematic rules like camera angles, lighting, and framing, while letting you focus purely on creativity. Let's break down the models inside Higgsfield. One is Nano Banana Pro. This is your go-to for stunning visuals. It generates clean, production-ready 2K or 4K images. Text, UI labels, numbers, even diagrams render perfectly. It's perfect if you want consistency in characters, faces, and props. 2 is Kling 2.6 audio. Kling is insane because it combines visuals, motion, and audio in one pass. That means your scene has ambient sound, voice, and motion all aligned perfectly. No extra plugins or editing needed. 3 is Win 2.5. Win 2.5 is culture native and bold. Want stylized prompts, internet-ready content, or uncensored video? Win does it. Lip sync, camera motion, and audio all match from the first render. 4 is Cinema Studio. Finally, Cinema Studio handles everything: text-to-image, image-to-video, camera moves, lighting, and cinematic tone, all in a single unified workflow. It's like having a mini film crew in your browser. Now, let's create a cinematic AI shot together. Step 1. Choose a model. Today, we'll use Nano Banana Pro for visuals and Kling 2.6 for audio. Step 2. Craft your concept. For this example, we're creating a sunset cityscape with a flying drone. Type in the description: a cinematic drone shot flying over a neon-lit city at sunset, ultra-realistic 4K cinematic lighting. Step 3. Generate your scene. Hit generate and watch as Higgsfield interprets your description into a full video. Step 4. Adjust motion and audio. Here, I'm adding soft ambient music, a gentle camera tilt, and a moving streetlight effect. Step 5. Preview and export. In just a few clicks, you have a cinematic AI video ready for YouTube, TikTok, or Reels. Remember, Higgsfield also has a media kit with pre-built assets if you need inspiration or starter clips. To make the most of Higgsfield, be specific with prompts. The more detail, the more cinematic your scene will look. Include lighting, camera angle, and mood. Use multiple models. Combine Nano Banana Pro visuals with Kling audio or WAN 2.5 for lip sync and motion. Upscale your output. Generate in 1K or 2K, then upscale to 4K for crystal clear quality. Experiment with camera settings in Cinema Studio. Adjust lens, focal length, and framing to match real-world cinematography. These tricks will make your AI video look professional and film-like. Higgsfield isn't just for filmmakers. Here's what creators are doing: TikTok and Reels content that looks expensive but costs nothing, AI-generated cinematic intros for YouTube videos, marketing clips for startups or small businesses without hiring a production crew, experimental films or music videos with fully controllable visuals and sound. If you can describe it, Higgsfield can bring it to life. So there you have it, AI video generation at your fingertips, made possible by Higgsfield. From first frame to finished video, this platform gives creators full control and speed like nothing else on the market. If you want to start creating your own cinematic AI videos, check out Higgsfield.ai today. I'll link all the resources, tutorials, and media kits in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more AI filmmaking tips, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a new video. Happy creating, and I'll see you in the next one.